students, Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Now I am giving some instructions to you. Stand up. Sit down. Now do as I do. Follow me. Okay? Wash the clothes. Clap your hands. Okay. Fight, fight. Don't fight. Undo. Now it's time to guess the correct action. I will show you some pictures. Picture types show करना है. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What this? Who will tell? Swara.
Close your eyes.
Very nice. Close your eyes. Next. Can you guess? Manjiri.
Clap your hand.
Very good. Clap your hands. Now students, it's time to read the instructions. Okay? Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Now read with me. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay? Now I am giving you instructions to each one by one. Okay? You have to match with its picture. त्याच्यासोबत जे पिक्चर आहे त्याला आपल्याला ती जोडायची आहे. Okay students, now you have matched the pictures with its corresponding instructions. तुम्ही आता सूचना आणि चित्राच्या जोड्या लावलेल्या आहेत. Now it's time to read. We will start from Manjari. Read the instructions.
Don't push.
Very
Clap
good.
your hand. Close your eyes. Bite your nose.
Now tell your instructions to your friend.
Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. Close your eyes. Clap your hands. Wash your hands. Don't fight.